Hey guys, yeah, I'm actually making this video from my office. It's a vlog. It's actually a reaction to a video, story of motherhood. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This is the Kamsi Space. You know what we do at Kamsi Space? We make videos on food recipes, vlogs, and lifestyle. If this is your first time in our channel, you are highly welcome, and thank you so much for watching our video. If this video interests you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, like and share. Yeah, like I said, this is a vlog. As you can see, I'm still in the office. I just want to, make this video just a short video. Yeah, it's actually a reaction from a video of study of motherhood TV. Now for people, I don't understand how people take things. I think I would like you to watch her reaction, then we take it from there. Yeah, let me put it.
It's wrong being a cleaner in Germany or abroad, as long as you put food. This is why most of the people abroad live fake life, but at the end of the day, most of them will clean their toilets. Clean toilet, do cleaning job, and they will send you money back home. You use it to your job.
Yeah guys, it's not easy to live in abroad. Honestly, it's not really easy. Sometimes I was discussing with someone. I said, I wish everyone in Nigeria will travel outside the country and see how life is there. Life there is not easy. Honestly, it's not easy. That one got a cleaning job. Oh my God, cleaning job is a big job. It's a big man job. And somebody is mocking the lady another cleaning job because you're here in Nigeria. Why? Because we Nigerians, we don't value cleaning. Yeah, we don't. Because if we do value cleaning, you know that cleaning job is a very big job. I myself, I have a cleaning job. Yes, I run a cleaning business. Before I started my business, I think that was in 2012. Yes, 2012. So I have to spend my money to travel to California. Yeah, in 2012. I traveled to California. What did I go there to do? I went to learn how to do cleaning. I did it and I had my certificate. And people that attended that program, oh my God, they were big men. If you see the kind of cars they were riding, I was telling myself, so this kind of business is well respected here in this country. But in our country, we don't value it. My dear, after the training, I came down to Nigeria and I started my cleaning business. Yeah, sometimes I don't even wait for my colleagues to go. If I have a client, I'll go with them. We do a lot of cleaning. We do carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning. I join them, we do the cleaning. It's my business. I am proud of what I'm doing. You have to be proud of what you are doing. That is where I'm eating from. If you're not passionate about what you do, hunger will wire you. So you have to be proud of what you do. You have to value whatever you are doing. Are you selling pure water? Value it. That is where you are earning. Let me tell you something. Job is not only when you dress, wear suit, go to bank. You think that bank is the only job you can be proud of? There are people that are selling granules that are better than those working in the bank. He saw a woman who is trying to survive, who is trying to put food on the table for the family, and you are mocking her. Ordinary cleaning job. If you go there, my dear, cleaning job is hot cake. Yes, it's a very hot cake out there. I have a friend who works in ministry. If this lady is taking leave, 1 month leave, she will put extra 2 months. Where will you find her? Straight in the UK. Yeah, she will go and do cleaning job 3 months. Pack her money, come back. They pay per hour. Not here. Not here. They pay at the end of the month. You are still struggling. People should value what they are doing. People should value what they have. Stop mocking people. I think it's only jobless people that will come out and start looking for what people are doing or what people are not doing. Is it compulsory that you must comment on people's video? And I know someone will still come and comment on this one. Please comment and make sure you watch the video before you comment. Yes, because you must watch the video now. After watching the video, you can do your comments. Please, guys, let's value what we have. Must you mock people? Let's avoid mocking people, okay? Yeah, know your what? Hold your own power. Be you. Excuse me, I'm not feeling pick this up. Huh? Yeah, guys, in whatever you are doing, be yourself. Be proud of what you are doing. Be proud of what you are doing. Are you doing a cleaning job? Be proud of it. I am proud of what I'm doing. Yes, because if you don't have passion on what you're doing, you can't do it right. Yes, please learn to value people. And if you don't value yourself, you won't be able to value people. If you value yourself, you'll be able to value people. Hey, my dear, story to Motherhood TV. My sister, just be yourself. Know your worth. Yeah, there are jealous people. They are jealous of you. They are jealous of you. Yes. If you are out there, any job that will put food on the table, my dear, grab it. It's not easy. Could you imagine some of us, some Nigerians out there, they are jobless. But see, there are people here in Nigeria who think that they are packing money from everywhere. Before, I used to think that when you travel outside the country, as you're going on the road, you're picking the money. The orientation I got was that on the road there are cars that are parked there, so you can park any car and send it home. That was the orientation I got. When I traveled to US, we were walking in the street, and I was just looking sideways. My husband was like, "Ne, I said, I'm looking for where they park so that we can park it and send it home." Honestly, because that was the orientation I got. People believe that when you travel outside, you start packing money, and they will be calling you on phone. Mama's need this, Papa need this, Uncle need. They will just be lining up their problems. Come on, it's not easy with these guys out there. It's not easy. I went to Dubai last 2 years. My friends sent me a place where I can go. So we went to they call it Deira Market. Yeah, we went to Deira Market. So because we're not familiar with the place, so we were opportune to meet a guy. I thought the guy was doing something meaningful, so he offered to take us around. And he was just taking us around where we would pick things cheap and all that. And inside me, I was like, this guy that took his time to take us around, because we went round because we wanted to pick a lot of things for everyone. I went with my family. So at the end of the day, I know that the people he was taking us to, we gave him, he had competition with them. Yeah, that one is okay. But at the end of the day, you know, we have to appreciate this guy. Yeah, when people do something for you, appreciate them, no matter how small. So when we got to a place we will enter a cab, I gave him 40 dirham. 40 dirham. So 40 dirham, and when you change it to Nigerian naira, then I think it's 4,000 naira. Yeah, I gave him 40 dirham. If you see how this guy was jumping up, if you see how he was jubilating, just 40 dirham. And this guy have people who are depending on him, who believe that he's in abroad, on a make ego. Everybody will just be writing lists and be sending. I will take her, we think her. They are suffering. Where they are living, they can live in a room. 20 people can live in a room. But they can't tell us. Some of them are just living a life of package, you know, packaging now. Package yourself. Some of them are living a fake life. And you see someone who is proud of what she is doing, and you are valuing her. Come on, it's not right. It's not right. Even at the airport, when you get to the airport, you see some young Nigerians running after you to carry your bag, begging to carry your bag so that you give them change. Those people are the same people. They are people here dependent on them, believing that they are making it up there, believing that there is a place to go and pack money. Come on, let us be realistic, and let us know how to talk to people. You must not comment. You can watch and pass. Must you comment? Hello. It's not good to devalue people. Value yourself. Let's learn how to value ourselves. Because when the time you value yourself, you'll be able to value others. Yeah, my good people, I have to close the video here. If this video interests you, give it a thumbs up, comment. Good comment too. Yeah, good comments. Be good. Bye-bye, like and share. See you in our next video. Bye.